Right, so hello everybody, I am back from a weekend off making videos, the first weekend that I have had in like 2 or 3 months, but we are back to looking into stocks tonight. So if you are subscribed, or if you aren't subscribed, I'm going to just explain the plan for tonight. As you know, I do make a few videos a day, so what we plan to do is make one on Workhorse tonight for definite. As you can see, we're going to hopefully make one on Hillion as well, because the merger is apparently going to go through soon, and probably another one on Xpeng Motors, something that we've covered a tiny bit in the past. So you can see that we are very dedicated to our subscribers, so please do subscribe. You can see that we are literally 33.3% of the way to 1,000. Can you share this with your friends? Can you share it with your family and help us to get even further on? We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, that would be amazing. Also, please do leave a like on the video. So tonight I'm going to be sharing my predictions for Workhorse stock over the next week. Of course, I am no financial advisor, but some things that you should know about my position in Workhorses: I actually do hold shares in Workhorse in something which we call in the UK a CFD position. So what this means is I bet on the price. So for example, if the price right now is $27.69, I would buy in at this point, and then for example, if it went up by another dollar, I would get $1 profit per share, which I own. So currently I am actually down by $18. I mean, it was actually previously over $40, so I think it might actually be a bit higher than that. I will show that in another video, topic for another video, but let's just have a look at what we think this stock is going to do in the next week. So I'm going to show a few articles and compare this to a few other stocks. So if you don't know what's already happened, we've seen quite the big sell-off in all stocks, and actually for once it was electric vehicles and electronic stocks leading the way down. So Nasdaq has been inflating over the last few months, so I'm going to talk about that in a minute, but this is one of the reasons why this stock is down in my opinion. So we can see here we've been up from the price around the 1st of September, even a little bit before then, 31st of August. We have been seeing highs and highs and highs. The stock has been selling off, buying, selling off, so on, so on, so on, and then we have actually seen a big sell-off on the 21st of September, all the way really down till the 24th of September, so quite the sell-off, and now we are hopefully seeing a bit of a rebound. So that is clear on the 1 month, but when we look at the 6 month, we can really see how high we have gone, but also how high this drop has been in the past few days. So you can see how high Workhorse stock has kind of bounced back in the past few days, so not really too bad to see. I personally do hope it goes even higher, and I personally think that this stock is not inflated. I'm going to talk about a few factors in just a moment, but looking at the 5-day, we can see absolute lows down here of 21.32. Bear in mind we're at 27 now, so quite the rebound so far. 1 day is actually looking decent. We are currently at a little bit of a dropping point, but you can see here we have had quite the growth of about 5% in only a few hours, so not at all bad. So yeah, let's compare this with a few other stocks. Another one which I want to compare this with, Tesla, because Tesla we all know as the electric vehicle company, the big one. Whatever or other electric vehicle companies do, generally speaking, apart from Nikola, Tesla does times 10 because it's just one of those inflated stocks. And you can see, honestly, Tesla has been taking quite a similar path to Workhorse stock. So this kind of does show that the whole market is selling off. So 1 month is a little bit worse for Tesla because they have actually just experienced a stock split, and that is what has driven the stock price up, so that has kind of been a catalyst for this one. But you can see in the 5 days that this is quite clear. So I talked about why this stock is actually a great stock in my previous video. Honestly, that was a great video. I would recommend that you check it out more than this one even, because I talked about some fantastic reasons on why you maybe want to invest in Workhorse. But yeah, let's just have a look in comparison to the Nasdaq, and then we'll get our predictions of what we want it to do in the next upcoming week. So Nasdaq has actually been dropping as well. Not really going to go too much into this, but these are kind of a decent baseline for looking at Workhorse stock, and the same is for the S&P. So we can see Workhorse stock is actually in the 1 month quite strong in comparison to these other stocks, and I think that it's actually going to strengthen even higher this week. So we could actually continue to see it sell off, but I think that we have seen this sell off happen, and I personally believe that we are going back into the green. Obviously, I am no financial advisor. Don't take anything that I say as sense. I just have an opinion, and that is my opinion. So I would like to see highs this week actually pass the last week's high, which was a previous high of all time, which was around $30.60. I honestly do believe we can break this high. We honestly have news coming up soon about the USPS contract, and that is another catalyst on this. So I would not say that the hype has died down in my opinion. I would say this stock could potentially see growth up to $80 into the next few years, in my opinion. I've talked about this a little bit more in other videos, but that's just my opinion. Looking into the next week, I can personally see this stock going up in value. Anyway, you guys tell me what you thought in the comment section. I will see you in the next video, which will be out just a little bit later. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time.